Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be doing a drugstore makeup tutorial, and I'm going to be making it beginner friendly, and I guarantee you will not break the budget with these products. You're going to be definitely spending under $100, okay? Now if you were to go to Sephora, you're not leaving out of there with spending below $100, especially with all of these products. Boo. Don't even try it. So this is going to be affordable friendly, this is going to be beginner friendly, and I really hope that you all like this look. And before we get to the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so that way you can see when I put up videos. And guess what? We're almost to 50 subscribers. So make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, because guess what? Your girl is going to be doing a giveaway. So stay tuned for more of my videos so that way you can get the deets on that. So without further ado, let's get to it. I'm going to make this tutorial as beginner friendly as possible because I want you guys to know how to do this. So all of the products that I'm going to be using in this video are products that you can get from Target, Kroger, the beauty supply, basically any drugstore, any supermarket. Go to your local beauty section in any of these stores and you'll be able to find these products. So let's get right into it. So as you can see, my face is already prepped, my brows are done, and I made sure that I put primer on my face. First, we're gonna start off with the foundation. I am going to be using the 24-hour Maybelline New York foundation. So I'm gonna be using my beauty blender this time to apply my foundation. So I'm just getting this really wet, and I'm gonna use about this much. A big pump. And I'm just gonna blend that. And as you can see, this foundation has blended out quite nicely. So now we're gonna do another pump, about the same size. And as you can see, this foundation has blended out quite nicely. So next, this item that I'm gonna be using is a beauty supply concealer. And let me show you the brand. So this is called the Moira Mega Concealer. Now this brand, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, so I'm just saying Moira. It's spelled M-O-I-R-A. This brand also has a setting spray, and if you all have looked at my previous videos, I'm pretty sure you've seen me use it once or twice, and it works well. And that also comes from the beauty supply. So this concealer is waterproof and full coverage, and it works really good. I like it way better than my LA Girl concealer. Now my LA Girl concealer, for all the OGs that have been watching my videos since the beginning, that is what I generally use. But ever since I got this concealer, baby, I have not went back. I have not looked back. So this concealer is in the color Nutty, and it's numbered 5. And I like the way that it comes out. It's almost like a lip gloss applicator, and basically this is how I apply it with this thing. So I like to apply it in the inner corner under my eye, just outside of my nose, because when you blend this, you want to blend this up, down, and kind of outwards. And you also want to apply some highlighter on the ends here. And then I also like to apply this down the bridge of my nose. And the center of my forehead, just a little bit. A little bit under my nose and my chin. And now we are just gonna blend this out with our beauty blender. So you wanna blend up, down, and outwards, like so. Okay, so now that that's blended out, I like to use the butt of my beauty blender to blend out my chin and everything else, like my chin, under my nose, and the center of my forehead. And then last but not least, I like to blend out my nose. I like to blend out the concealer on my nose last because I also like to let it sit a little bit. So, and I use this part like I did, blending under my eyes to blend out the bridge of my nose. And I like to blend in the up and down motion. Next, we're gonna go in with some powder. So this powder also comes from the Beauty Supply, and it is by Kiss. So it is the RK by Kiss, the HD Set and Forget. And it's rub proof wear. And this is what it looks like. I know this, I've had this for a long time, so it looks freaking dirty, but I will have a link in the description so that way you all can see what you're getting. And this is the 16-hour flawless rub proof wear. So 16 hours. And I like to take my damn beauty blender and apply this also. And typically I apply this in the same areas that I applied the concealer. Okay, so after I'm done applying my powder, I like to let it sit, and now we focus on contouring. So this contour palette is a contour palette that you see me use in every video, okay? Every video. It is the Pro Fusion Pro Contour 6 Shade Contour Palette. And I cannot remember where I got this from, but I know it had to be either a TJ Maxx or a Ross or a Marshalls, because those stores will have makeup products too. And some of those products that they do have are costly in Sephora's. So keep a lookout. Now they may or may not have your shade, but do not sleep on those stores, okay? If you just want to get out one day and you want to walk around TJ Maxx to see what they may have what you're looking for. So this is what it looks like. And I typically use this color here, and I may mix these two. It depends on how harsh I want my contour to be. And I've never really used these at the top for highlighting, but these are meant for highlighting as well. So using my blending brush, I'm gonna go ahead and go into this middle color here and contour around my nose. So when contouring your nose, you wanna start up here, right under your brows, and work your way down, just blending. And you wanna make sure you don't have too much product on your brush. Okay, next it's time to contour our cheeks. So when contouring my cheeks, I like to mix those colors I showed you earlier, the darkest one and the middle one, but not too much product. And I like to bring my contour all the way up my cheeks like so. I also like to do my chin line under my face. And the top of my forehead. So now that we are done with that part, I am gonna go ahead and take my damp beauty blender and I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with the Endless Setting Powder Spray by Mora. It's this one right here. This is the one that I was just talking about. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this powder in. Instead of wiping it away, I like to take my damp beauty blender and I like to press it in. So using the butt, I'm gonna go ahead and press in the powder on my chin, under my nose, the bridge of my nose, under my eyes, and between my eyebrows. Okay, so all of my eyeshadows that I do have don't come from one of these stores. So what I like to do is if I want a little nude eyeshadow, what I do is I just use either my contour palette or my highlighter. So what I'm gonna do is take my blending brush that you saw me contour with my nose earlier, and I'm gonna use that in the darkest color in my contour palette, and I'm just going to apply this eyeshadow to my eyelids. Okay, next going in with some highlighter. Oh yeah, also for the highlighting powder, I like to use the Wet n Wild highlighting powder, and I got this from Target, and it is in the color 33B Golden Flower Crown. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in, and I'm just gonna apply this to my inner lid. Okay, and now I'm just gonna blend this out. All right, so next it is time to glow and bronze. That's right, we're gonna be using the Kiss Glow and Bronze powder. So this is the color medium and KPBP01. I like to apply this to my cheeks, the same places we applied the contour. Pretty much. Brush my nose a little bit with it. Okay, so next we are gonna go ahead and apply some eyeliner. So I like to use cream eyeliners that are very, very black. So this is the Nika K New York eyeliner and the blackest black. So I just take a brush that's pretty hard and already has had some product on it, and I just apply this to my waterline. Okay, so now that that's applied, I like to put a little bit on the top because I like to have some eyeliner on the top very minimally, because I like to apply my lashes with black glue, and just in case I make an error, it's easy. It's so much easier to hide errors when applying your lashes when you have top liner on. Okay, so using this brush here, I'm gonna go ahead and blend it. Okay, so before I put on my lashes, I like to use mascara, and I like to use the Fosse's mascara by Maybelline, the Volume Express, and it's waterproof, and this is what it looks like. And you can find this at any Kroger, any Target, pretty much anywhere. I've been using Fosse's since I was in high school. Okay, so now it's time for the lashes. So I like to get the wispy lashes from Kiss, and I always get my lashes from the Beauty Supply. Now I like to get the So Wispy 08, and it comes with about 5 lashes for $11.99. I memorized the price because I always get them, and they look like this. And this is the glue that I like to use. It is the Super Stronghold Eyelash Adhesive in black. For some reason, black eyelash glue works better for me. Every time I've tried to use the clear eyelash glue, it would irritate my eyes for some weird reason. So, okay, so now we want to make sure that we count to at least 40 seconds to make sure this is nice and tacky, so that way we can apply it to our eyes. Okay, so now that this is tacky, we can apply it. So now we're gonna apply the other lash. Okay, so now that our lashes are done, it is time for the lips, boo. The lips. So I like to keep my lips moisturized, so I'm just gonna take some Vaseline and rub them. Last but not least, I'm going to take this holographic lip gloss. I also got this from the Beauty Supply, and this is also a Kiss brand, and it retails for $2.99. And now to set our foundation, we're going to be using our Spray by Mora. Give it a good shake and spray. So I really hope you all enjoyed this video. I did try to make it as beginner friendly as possible. Let me know what you all think of this look in the comments, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also follow your girl on social media. My social media links are linked down below. And also, please subscribe and hit that notification bell, because guess what? I'm close to making 50 subscribers. And if your girl makes it to 50 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So stay tuned for that. Tell your friends and tell your family. Until next time, bye-bye.